So one day before result, how the feeling is, what we all exactly feel. I'm gonna share you in this video because I am a student who has passed the exam, who has gone through that phase. So let's all together just share the experience, that how it feels like, and what all the feelings, what all the emotions which comes out before the result. And one day exactly, we know that tomorrow is the result day. Tomorrow is the day where my hard work, my struggle, my all sleepless nights is gonna decide that whether it is worth or not. But this would not be the right word whether it is worth or not, because here is an exam which takes a lot of hard work, lots of patience. I've seen a lot of students who did hard work, they expect that their result is going to be better, but they did not get that. But the warrior is the one who stands up, the warrior is the one who stands up again and take the book again and give the exam again. So in this video I'm gonna share with you all that how the result feeling one day before. So as you all know that the ICI has made an announcement that the 6th July is the day where inter final foundation result is going to be declared. This is the very first time that all these three stages of CA result is going to be declared at one single day. This is the first time, because earlier what used to be that intermediate and final result used to come at one day, and the foundation result used to come like all alone from few one or two attempts. What is happening, like inter foundation result is coming together and the final result was all alone. But this was the May attempt where all these three results are going to be on one single day. Means what is going to happen, CA foundation student will enter into the CA intermediate. They will call themselves, yeah, I am an inter student, and the one who clears CA intermediate, they become the CA finalist. The articleship journey starts from the moment you got that successful result in both the groups. Yeah, and उनका तो कुछ कहना ही ना है, जो CA बन जाते हैं, the one who becomes a chartered accountant, the one who has been eligible to sign that audit report. वो मोदी जी का कहना सुना ही होगा, एक प्रधानमंत्री के सिग्नेचर में वो ताकत नहीं, दो ताकत एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट के सिग्नेचर में है. It means that even PM signature is not more powerful than a CS signature. Yes, it matters. जब आपके देश का प्रधानमंत्री आपको इतनी वैल्यू देता है, this means this has lot of value. So I understand that we all know that the 6th July is the day where a lot of students will be entering into intermediate, and a student would be a CA finalist. Exactly, I am here for those who get the failure. I am exactly here for them who unfortunately would not be able to clear the exam. So just I am here to share the experience and all the feelings and how to get up from that failure. So रोना तो आएगा, because a CA student does a lot of hard work, because hard work makes you success. If you do not do the hard work, then you don't deserve any kind of result, I think so. This is what I believe. So first of all, CA foundation student, yeah, I understand that you all do a lot of hard work, but what exactly happens, all we know that this is a very करवा ट्रूथ हम लोग बोल सकते हैं. वी कैन से दिस कि लड़ते सब लोग हैं, भागते सब लोग हैं, बट देर आर वेरी फ्यू पीपल हु रीच आउट टू द गोल. देर आर वेरी फ्यू पीपल्स, वेरी we can say that करवा सच है, but we have to accept that the result, CA result is very, less in percentage. All the students are not able to clear it, but I understand that, yeah, not this time, not that time, but one day you will be a CA if you are very dedicated towards your goal. If you have decided that one day I would be a person who can use this prefix of CA, this and this person, if you have that kind of dedication, this one day you will be, not this time, not that time, but one day you will be that kind of dedication and that kind of patience we should have. So having said that, I'm gonna tell you my story, that what exactly happened. I gave first attempt, I could not clear that in the first attempt, unfortunately, but that day was very difficult to spend out throughout the day. One day before I came to know that this is the day, and that day the result is going to be declared. One day before night, I was not able to sleep whole night. I just kept changing my position of sleeping, but I could not sleep. I got up early in the morning. I was very excited. This is the time, and this time is result is going to be declared. And what exactly happened, I know that 10 बजे आने वाला है, 11 बजे आने वाला है, and that time came. Result got cleared. I got the notification that the IC has announced the result of CA intermediate, my heart beats, my palpitation just went up. धड़कनें बढ़ रही है, वो करीब आ रहा है. जस्ट गॉड ऑफ दिस सॉन्ग आई जस्ट सैंग अप. सो ऐसा फीलिंग आया कि बस रिजल्ट आ गया. आई जस्ट पुट माई CRN नंबर एंड रोल नंबर, दैट कैप्चर, एंड आई सबमिटेड इट. व्हाट आई सॉ, अनसक्सेसफुल. it what happened, it broke me, but that was something which made me feel like, no, this is the time to get up, this is the time to learn and fight again. And I fought again, and one day I cleared it. So it would be a very great message for all those students who would not be able to clear the result, clear the exam. Don't break yourself, just start again. You need to start again, because जो छोड़ देते हैं वो कभी ना पाते हैं, जो पाने की क्षमता रखते हैं वो छोड़ते नहीं हैं. So this quote you have to remember, you have to start again. So don't break yourself, don't stop yourself, just keep going till the time you get the result. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe. I'll be sharing the result day. I will come again on the result day, and I will ask you all that what is your status. Are you gonna start again, or would you stop yourself? Thanks for watching the video.